What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're kayaking. Let's go! Okay, here we are on the river. It's very nice, very hot, but I'm wearing factor 30 and factor 60 sun cream because I'm a pasty white Irishman. Everybody is a little further ahead, but I'm just enjoying it, just enjoying the scenery. It is very nice out here. It's like 22, 23 degrees, I think, maybe today. It's pretty awesome. Well, that's going in the vlog. You can see. Where is he? Sasha is eating a poutine. Okay, very nice lunch just had. Now it's time for a little swim. Sarah has decided to go on the paddleboard. This is gonna end well. But it's gonna be really fun to watch. I am seriously impressed. Seriously impressed. Okay, she fell in. I missed it again. The whole time she's fallen in, I haven't been recording. You having fun, honey?
Yeah.
Now that you're back on the board, you got the water out of your ears.
Yeah.
I have sun cream in my eyes, that's why I'm squinting. Yeah. Yeah, I got sun cream in my eyes, that's why it's hurting. Alright, I'm squinting.
You look good.
Paddleboarding has proven to be a little more tiresome than first thought by Sarah. I am now taxiing her. She's hanging onto the back of my kayak, lying down dead while I taxi her. Things that the husband has to do. Okay, that's gonna do it for today's vlog. Back home now, all showered, sunburned on my back in a straight line across the top and down. This arm from where Sarah didn't apply the sun cream properly to me. Was it Sarah? I'm just gonna say it was Sarah. Sorry, honey, I love you. Oh, and a bit at the base of my back from where it obviously rubbed off from the back of the kayak. Other than that though, incredibly successful day. Oh, although getting out of the water, I did trip, kick a rock, and break a toe. So that's super fun. Look, I can show you now. Look. Yeah, look at that. That is nicely done in. Oh, yeah, that hurts. But them's the breaks, I guess. I don't know. But Sarah made the point. I seem to break my toes very, very easily. This is about the third toe I've broken in the last 12 months, maybe. So maybe I should just be more careful. Maybe when I'm kayaking I should wear those swim shoe things. I don't know. But yeah, till next time, guys, be sure to smash that likes and subscribe button. Peace!